Hey everyone, let's see this question in which we have given 6 data points x1, y12, x6, y6, and we have given the coordinates of these like x1 is 1 0, x2 is 0 1, and till x6 which is -2 comma -2. Okay, and also we have given labels that y1, y2, and y5 are 1, and y3, y4, and y6 are -1. Now it is saying that we have to draw a hard margin linear SVM, and we need to tell that which of these points can be possible set of support vectors. Okay, so how does a SVM work? A linear SVM will draw, let's say there is some data points here and some data points here. A linear SVM will draw a linear line like this with the highest margin. So it will draw a point like this, that the distance from these set of points and these set of points are maximum. Okay, and for that it will draw support vectors which will be going from the points which are nearest to this separator line. Okay, so it can know that where the point lies. Okay, so let's draw these points and let's see how our SVM will work on this. Okay, so let me have a coordinate plane here and let's draw a point. So x1 is at 1 comma 0. This is our x1. X2 is at 0 comma 1, so this is our x2. X3 is at 0 comma -1, so somewhere here, sorry, not here, it will be here, and x4 will be here. Okay, and x5 will be somewhere here around 2 comma 2, so somewhere here, x5, and x6 will be here somewhere -2 comma -2. Okay, and these points, so y1, y2, and y5. So this point is 1, this point is 1, and this point is 1. Okay, and y4, y3, and y6. And these points are true. Sorry, -1. Okay, these points are not true, these are -1. But you get the point, right? These are -1. Now we can draw separator line. So obviously you know that separator line will go somewhere from here. Okay, now we need to just see that which are the points which are nearest to our this separator line. So as you can see, if we draw a support vector, it will somewhere like go like this, and it will go like this. So our support vectors will be, the points on the support vector should be x1, x2, and x3 and x4, and x5 and x6 are far behind, so those will not be our support vectors. So the correct answer should be D, x1, x2, x3, and x4. Thank you.